Hello, I'm Promori. This time, though, the GPS Golf watch released by GARMIN. On September 10th, 2024, a new software update for the Approach S70 started being distributed. The new software version will be v18.14. The contents of this software update are as follows. The first fix addresses an issue where the position of the hole might shift to the front of the green while using a paired rangefinder. This is a fix for the issue that occurred when paired with the Z30, right? Next, it addresses the issue where tapping the checkmark on the hole overview page would not save the score. In reality, I didn't notice it much, but it seems that the issue where scores weren't saved has been fixed. Next, it fixes an issue where the previous score was not displayed correctly in the Golf widget when using Stableford scoring. Next, thank you for your patience. The long-standing issue with the morning report, which hadn't been fixed for a long time, has finally been resolved. Normally, you can swipe to open and view the morning report, but there was an issue where the screen wouldn't move or open when swiped. You could only view it by pressing the button to return to the previous screen. However, this issue has now been fixed and the functionality has been restored. I'm really happy that it's finally been fixed. Lastly, I'd like to check if it's truly been resolved by testing the functionality. To update the software, press the middle button on the right side of the watch to open the menu screen. Tap Settings. From the Settings, tap System. From the System menu, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. If Update Now does not appear, tap Check for Updates. If you have registered a Wi-Fi network, this screen will be displayed. If not registered, you will need to check for updates via your smartphone. Software updates and downloads are faster via a Wi-Fi network, so it is recommended. Once synchronization is complete, proceed with the software update. Tap Update Now. When performing the update, make sure that the device has sufficient battery remaining. If you have more questions or need further assistance, just let me know. Do not press any buttons and wait until the watch screen is displayed. The update is complete. Finally, let's check if the morning report issue has been resolved by testing its functionality. Previously, it was not possible to swipe up from the bottom on this screen. Oh, it seems to be working now. I'm glad to see that it's fixed properly. That's great. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.